You've probably seen beef tallow soap all over your feed, and I finally caved. Tried the viral Back2Naturalness beef tallow soap that I saw on TikTok, and I have to tell you what really happened. So, I got my package, and you have options. You can get a single bar or a pack of 3. Which is what I did because I had a feeling I was going to like it. It comes scented or unscented. I went with the scented version. It smells so clean and fresh. Not at all what you might expect. The ingredients are simple and amazing. Beef tallow, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. That's it. I was dealing with some seriously dry, patchy skin, especially on my elbows and knees. I've used this soap for about a week now, and the difference is incredible. My skin feels so soft and nourished, not stripped and tight like with some other soaps. The lather is rich and creamy, and it just feels luxurious. But here's the game changer, and you have to listen to this part. After washing with the soap, I followed up with their beef tallow moisturizer. Now, I thought the soap was good on its own, but using them together is a whole other level. It's like a 1-2 punch for dry skin. This Back2Naturalness beef tallow soap is for men and women. It is made for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. The soap cleanses and preps your skin, leaving it ready to soak up all the goodness. And then the moisturizer seals in that hydration. Using the soap without the moisturizer is like baking a cake and forgetting the frosting. Sure, the cake is good, but the frosting makes it complete and unforgettable. This moisturizer comes in a 3.5-ounce jar, and a little goes a long way. It's so creamy and just melts right into your skin. I've been using it all over, and my skin has never felt this hydrated. It's not greasy at all. It just leaves this healthy, supple glow. Like the soap, it also comes in scented and unscented options. Honestly, my skin transformation has been wild. Went from being self-conscious about my dry patches to feeling confident and comfortable. If you're struggling with dry skin or just want to switch to more natural products, you have to try this. I got mine directly from their website at back2naturalness.com. Seriously, go check them out. Your skin will thank you. This combo is my new holy grail. 2. If you enjoyed this review, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product tests. Thanks for watching.